Okay, hello guys. I'm Zhibin. Our team has 6 members: Yongxin, Jiacheng, Lichen, Peng, Zhaokang, and me. Today we are going to give a presentation on the project for center management system. We divided our talk into 7 sections. Introduction, objective for the proposal, potential business significance, benefits to EDF, key measures of success as understood by PMP, major scope items, and summary comments for the project. Now let's welcome Lichen to introduce the project.
Let me introduce the background. At the end of the 2017, a group of the investors decided to establish an entertainment venue, which we can call it IAH. IH to manage entertainment service across the country. Everyday fitness, we call it EDF. It can have health and well-being, so it can be the first department of the analyzation. Since the EDF department is not good at information system development, it needs a professional PMP department to help. The PMP department can be establish a powerful central management system (CMS) to improve the overall service quality of the EDF department. Therefore, the two departments will cooperate. PMP will produce the accepted report, including the workload of the main central management system (CMS), resource allocation, preliminary plan, and development plan, and expand that the project will be completed on March 1, 2022. The main purpose of the EDF department is to improve the overall fitness atmosphere, attract more investors' attention, and get more profits for the future. Okay, next part, welcome Terry.
That's the speech of Lichen. Next, I will talk about the objectives for the proposal. There are 9 objectives for the proposal. For the first one, the opportunity for gyms to promote more service to customers should be based on the completion of registration. The simple registration process can replace the tedious information to fill in, so that more new customers can easily register accounts in the gym. It can improve the probability of gym registration. For the second object, the convenience of member information management has been improved. Member can manage their personal accounts more easily. It will make them feel more convenient. The more satisfied our customers are with our service, the more opportunities we will get to promote our product. A tap and go member ID card can make member go to any store of our gym, so they do not have to go to a special store to work out. This can increase the frequency of their fitness. The next object is member purchase of merchandise. Adding an online store can add an additional sales channel for the product. After achieving this goal, the sales rate of goods will be greatly improved. The fifth and the sixth objects can provide a tailored service for members. These 2 objects can not only allow customers to choose the most suitable service for themselves, but also bring additional revenue for the company. Childcare within the supervised play area. For this object, the purpose of establishing childcare in play area is to attract more other consumer, such as parents with children. The next object For the next object, in order to improve the popularity of gym, we need to hold many large scale competitions and activities. To achieve this goal, EDF management of competitions and demonstration events is also one of the objectives of this project. For the last objectives, in order to provide the best service for members at all time, the project need to make a system for EDF to roster gym staff during the week. Next, Jiacheng will show you benefits to the EDF and its key measure of success.
Thank you for Yongxin introduce the objective of for the purpose. So in this session, I am Jiacheng. In this session I introduce the proposal business significance. This means cooperation between them can generate more the cooperation in the future and bring more the income. The firstly is establishment of the long-term cooperative relationship between the PMP and the EMP. They can enable to the PMP to generate a lot of income. Their income can bring more the income with the new partner. This new partner is come from the PMP and END. The secondly is the burden and the home rights of PMP. Expand the content and get more the opportunity to the product school project. The proposed commercial significance in the extent to the which PMP is expand content, which can improve the quality of the entire company's production project and improve other companies' production project experience. The thirdly is the business arrangement that forms the basis of the in total participation, and may also bring continuous preferability to the PMP because the arrangement of the PMP participation in the VC business can understand each the company's arrangement model, which can bring a lot of the help to then the company marketing. The next part is the benefit of the EDF. In this session, I introduced this benefit for the future development. First of all, to improve the critical ability of the EDF. Come from the benefit of the long-term cooperation with the PMP and EDF. In the future, they can have more cooperation in the entertainment project, which will bring more the benefit for the company. Secondly is the successful cooperation experience of a peer will enable to PMP and END. This can to the establish of the long-term partnership. This relationship is not only the finish, but also option more the resource of the PMP partner, which can make your company stronger. The thirdly is the CEO of the PMP can serve as a director of the EDF board of the directors. This can to help the decision some project. PMP is the person who know the entire project best. He know the content of the entire project very well to help the select some of the board's advice. The last one is the IH can use the PMP as the service supplier. IH is the partner company of the EDF. It will dividedly how to EDF choose a supplier, and the PMP as a supplier is very good because it need to arrange and select very
verify information technology consulting the company. So the last part is Zhibin introduce the key success of the EDF PMP.
Okay, thanks, Jiacheng. I'm Zhibin. Now I'd like to talk to you about the key measures of success as understood by PMP. In this section, I will introduce the key to the success of PMP. Firstly, this is the most critical. The professionalism and the completeness of project management briefing are very important, especially for PMP consultants and the CEO, because if they are not professional briefing, the report will mislead the team and affect the next step. And secondly, the key to the success of PMP is to establish personal relationships between peers with high stakes in the vacation, healthy, and the fitness industries. This is why there seems to have no relationship between superior and subordinates, making the entry team feel very comfortable. Thirdly, EDF's market expansion plan or rich customer list. EDF provides expansion plan and customer list to enable PMP to complete more tasks. For example, most tasks in the expansion plan are completed by PMP. So this is expansion plan is often the key to success. Now let's move on to the major scope items. The goal of EDF is to use the central management system to replace the currently used method to achieve a brand new automatic and integrated system. There are 10 major scope items. Firstly is integration or online sponsor membership register. Customer can register members online and update their membership qualification. Secondly is integrate customer account management. Use the customer relationship management system to update personal information, check plans, and reservation, understand member activity and benefits. Third one is quickly entering the central place. Members can use smart RFID cards to directly enter the gym without a manual inspection and record the members' care in the gym. The next one is online store. Customer can purchase fitness products and healthy supplements through online website, and they can be delivered to their homes. For the online booking professionals, customer can check the working hours of gym personal trainers, nutritionists, and other staff online. Make online reservation, arrange a time for training or consultation. According to book professional course online, customer can choose a course that suits them online according to their own conditions, such as their location and time. As for childcare area, the gym will establish a children's supervision play area, and the gym will arrange professional childcare staff to supervise. If the childcare staff is not at work, the member must arrange for an adult to take care of the children. When it comes to competition management, EDF will hold competition and activities, participate in competition or activity to enjoy prizes and benefits and record the results. The next one is staff roster, the information of each EDF employees, such as their working hours and job responsibilities, will complete into a roster and update on the internet every week so that the customer can understand their situation and make better decision for the reservation. Finally, it's maintenance. For more long-term development, consider that more departments will join in the future. Our entry central management system must be easy to upgrade, expand, and ensure that the system is strong. Okay, now let's welcome Zhaokang to introduce some comments and the project.
Okay, thank you, Zhibin. In this session, I will show how to implement a project with a good plan. Firstly, the programmer should fully communicate with the project designer and the commercial department, as the implementation of the project should be communicated with the designers and business department. To understand the intention of the designers must be practical to the scene recognizer. Combining the actual conditions of the site of the project and the progress of the whole project status calculated to achieve the design intent is implemented and the time required to lay cost, material cost of equipment and maintenance cost. Secondly, reduce unnecessary discussion or comments. The team planned ahead of the project. The implementer of each project should try to only carry out the plan and not add comments in the middle. Too many opinions will make the plan become chaotic, easy to disturb the plan. Whether the idea is good or not, it has a negative impact on the development of the whole project. Thirdly, strictly follow the time allotted for each project in the plan. The implementer of each project can complete the task ahead of time, but it is not allowed to complete the task over time. A bad chain reaction may occur due to the compression of tasks over time. Later tasks may not be completed within the planned time frame. Okay, now let's move on the next conclusion. Welcome, Peng.
The CMS is considered to meet the goal of the EDF, which is using the CMS to replace the currently used methods to achieve a brand new automated and integrated system. Therefore, in order to provide the convenience for users, there are items, integration, response, membership, registration, integrated customer account management. Users can quickly enter the central place by using the smart card. And for meeting user requirements, there are systems of member purchasing online, booking the professionals or professional courses online. Childcare system is also provided for children supervision. In order to manage the staffs, there is a staff roster system. In addition, for more long-term development, there is an item for maintenance in the project in order to reduce the risks. There are predictions for possible risks and related mitigation responses are listed. There are also preliminary project management activities and estimates in the project. The duration and cost are estimated, and there is also budget analysis. Finally, 4 key roles of the project and their responsibilities are listed. Everyday fitness directors, CEO, project manager, systems developers. Their respective tasks and the mutual cooperation are closely related to the success or the failure of the project.
Okay, that is end of our presentation. Thanks for your watching.